Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have our Rose War Panty Power plus a couple extra items from her boutique, so let's get in there and check this out. This is the December Rose War Panty Power box. It is gifted to me free for review, but you will always get my honest review. In addition to the box this month, she has sent me a couple of tops out of her boutique. I will put my link below in case you have any interest in checking this out. It will get you 30% off your first box or anything out of the boutique. So let's get into this and let me show you what we got this month. Each month there are things that we know we're gonna get. We're gonna get our period products, some snacks, our cute little underwears, and then we get some lifestyle products too. Oh my goodness, she did it like Santa. How stinking cute is that? The paper is Santa. That is so cute. I took the paperwork off the top so you could see it. And that is what the inside looks like. So let's dig into this first and then we'll look at this couple tops from her boutique. Last year she gifted me a couple of sweaters from her boutique too, and I have absolutely loved them. This says, "Welcome to the December box full of happiness." And that is what that looks like. This little game on the back, can you spot the difference? Try and find all 9. I'm going to resist the urge right now to stop and do that because I do like little puzzles. On the inside, it's what's in my box, and it tells us about the period products, the undies, the 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts below. It shows pictures of all of the options. It has checks next to what we received. Okay, go looking at how cute this little Santa paper is. I didn't mention that the box is $37.50 and that includes free priority shipping. Period products, the beauty is they are organic, which I think is fantastic in this day and age. So much better for you. You will get 9 tampons and 6 assorted sized pads. If by chance you do not need these in your life, you can opt out of receiving these and you will get an extra lifestyle product instead. We have different cleansing wipes this month. We have Stall Mates Good to Go. And we have 2 of those just for some on the go, keeping it clean. And then the other thing that we know we're gonna get each month is 2 pair of undies. You can just let them know your size. They carry from a small to a 3X. This month is in a little green bag. It always comes in a cute little chiffon type bag. Green for Christmas, I would imagine. Oh, and look, my undies are kind of seasonally appropriate. This is kind of a green stripe and this is kind of burgundy. Let's do this green stripe first. I'm intrigued by it. Oh, it's cute. So cute. It's got a laced edge that looks kind of festive and then the green striped pattern throughout it. It's very pretty. And then the other pair is our thong, and that's something else you can let them know. If you just want regular panties, if you just want thongs, you can let them know. But this is a nice full front. It's burgundy. It's kind of got like little holes in it for the decoration. Back it is a thong. This one is a very subtle thong. I like it. Each month you will receive 2 pair of undies with a value of $8 to $25. And look, I did all that without blushing. She's a little proud. And then we also each month get snacks. So we have some Oreos, a candy cane, a 100 grand bar, a fun size Snickers. This is some serious chocolate this month and I completely approve. Almond Joy. So plenty of fun snack. I kind of want to stop and eat one of these. Gonna go ahead and move on. Be strong. And our first lifestyle product this month is a festive pair of socks. Can you see that these are like little pom-poms? How stinking cute is that? This has a $13.50 value. It is original parquet socks, women's fun crew socks, sock size 9 to 11, which is shoe size 4 to 10. Oh, they do have heels too, just for the record. They are heeled. There's even decorations on the heel. They're very cute. They will be on my feet in just a little bit. We also received in a little bag that says thank you because we still have more gifts, an extra, and it's a fuzzy little white hair claw. How cute would this be for like with Christmas? Oh my gosh, I am doing for one of our Christmas parties, if we can still have our Christmas parties, I got an ugly sweater, just called an ugly sweater, right? Yeah. It has a gingerbread man on it and a great big white fuzzy bow. I mean, this would complete the look. Just a fuzzy white hair tie. So cute. And that just, by the way, has a $7.50 value. Next out, oh, I love this. I actually think I finished mine off. This is the Tropical Naturals Scalp Treatment. I have had this in the past. It came in, I think, oh, I'm gonna reach back. I think it was the Bella Beauty Box that introduced me to this. And I really like it. It's a dropper bottle and you just put it on your scalp. I always used it in the evening and kind of massaged it in, and then I would wash it out in the morning. Yep, this is what it looks like. Pretty blue bottle, little dropper bottle. I would just kind of separate my hair and run it down through it and massage it in. I liked it. Did it help with hair growth? I don't know, but it made my scalp feel healthy. I felt like I was doing something productive that was good for my hair. And this has a $38 value, so this alone pays for your box. And last but not least out of the box, and then we'll get to those tops, I have a Salty Girl Beauty, Sassy, Stunning, and Fierce, knows her worth and won't let anybody dull her glow. Peppermint Rosemary. It's bath salts made with natural and organic ingredients. And that is what that looks like. And like I said, it's from Salty Girl Beauty. It is cruelty-free, made in the USA, made with organic ingredients, vegan, and cruelty-free. And this has a $20 value. So just in lifestyle products alone, not including the period products, not including my adorable panties, we have $79 worth of value. And the salt scrub, the Tropical Naturals scalp treatment, which I am so happy to have more of, these adorable Christmas socks, and this hair claw, which will pair perfectly with the sweater I'm wearing at Christmas. Of course, I said ugly sweater. That doesn't make it an ugly hair claw. It just, the furriness matches. You know what I mean. Our 2 pair of underwear, the period products and wipes, and this was a candy chocolate palooza. So that's what you would receive in your Rose War Panty Power box for December. It's the same theme each month: period products, panties, candy, and then your lifestyle products. And she has opened a boutique. Oh, and I just found, once I moved my box, it's a coupon. Use code FRIENDS50 off. And this is in her boutique. Oh my goodness, you're gonna get 50% off in the boutique. So 30% off the box, 50% off in the boutique until December 25th. Oh my gosh, I've gotta get this up. I gotta quit talking here and go edit this and get it up for you guys. It's rosewarpantypower.com/Mikshi, M-I-K-S-H-I -boutique. Let me hold that there for a second so you guys can see that. And it's 50% off everything and free shipping. Guys, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I would have hated if I had missed that. So glad I found that to tell you guys. She sent me, I think it's 2 tops. One I can tell is definitely a sweater. This one, I could not tell what it was. It feels suede. What is this? Oh my gosh, guys, it's like a suede jacket. Oh my gosh, it is like, oh, all right, I'm gonna stand up and put this on. I'll be right back. Can you guys tell if yeah, perfect. This is a large. I have let her know in the past. She asked me what size I am, and I always say I'm an extra large, but she knows that some of her products run smaller or larger, and she always, I mean, it is a perfect fit. She always makes it work perfectly. And it's just kind of like a suede jacket, and it's got nice cuffs, and it's a raw edge look. Collarless. I like that a lot. You guys can't tell how long it is, but it's hitting me about mid-thigh. It has pockets, and it is so soft, and it has a little bit of stretch, so it's nothing you'd be at all uncomfortable in. In case you have any interest, I will try and link these down below for you. And the other item that she sent is a sweater. Is it a pullover, jumper, or is it a, oh, it is. And it is just a really pretty, it's kind of a heathered gray look. It's short, but not cropped. Plenty of room in the sleeves, which is where I always need a little extra room because I lost a lot of weight. I have bad arm things going on. I like that it is a not tight fitting, appropriately sized neck. I don't like them when they get too wide because I'm not real broad here. And this also is large, and I can tell you in looking at it right now, it is plenty big enough. So again, she knows her sizing. So although this was a large, she knew this is what's gonna fit me. So those were both out of her boutique, which is if you use code FRIENDS50 off at the rosewarpantypower.com Mikshi-boutique, you can get 50% off. And the Rose War Panty Power box, which with my code you can get 30% off of. This is just a good time of year for a sale, isn't it? Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you have any questions about this, let me know below. If it's something that I can answer, I am happy to do it. Thank you so much to Rose Wore Panty Power for sending me this box, and I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and take care out there, guys. Bye.